Hey everybody,
Hi!
welcome. Today we are headed into TJ Maxx. We haven't been here to do some retail arbitrage yet, and thankfully there's a HomeGoods attached to it.
That's like 2 in 1.
Right? And last time we were at HomeGoods, we had some coffee that sold really fast, so we're hoping that we'll find some more of that.
Juicy couture. That's cute. $10! That's cute, but holy cow. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. Actually.
Oh, here's the bling version.
Angel. Looks like they have pretty good Disney stuff here. It's about as close as I get to cooking.
Here's something from the Smile Direct Club that has a 50% sell-through rate, and it'll sell for about $18, but they want $6 for all of these. We could probably double our $6, but that's about it. So we finally found something here. This has a 300% sell-through rate, and they only want $5 for each one of them. So we can actually get at least 17 free shipping, so we'll be able to double our money at least. I think we'll take all of these.
There is money to be made in the cosmetics and skincare and hair care area of a place like, what? TJ Maxx, wherever we are here. I needed some of this eye makeup remover, and so it's Neutrogena. It's $4.99, and it's awesome. It's a name brand, and I'm taking it for myself. Also, there's a lot of stuff with snail in it right now, which is really moisturizing, and it's all here, so you can get great brands.
Here's something that's pretty cool, and Michelle, you even wanted this for yourself. Now, they want $72 for it, but you can't even get that on eBay. So, I don't know. If you want it for yourself, I ain't making it up.
You're so sweetie. These Merrills are on sale for $64. This is the markdown clearance price on this.
Okay, well, might be a good deal if you're picking them up for yourself.
Yeah, maybe, but
Here's something fun, Little People and Barbie, a nice little collaboration here. This thing actually has a history of sales, but there is 3 sales and like 90 available, so no go. Here's a good find. Squishmallow are always good to look up. Here's a really cool set. They want $16 for it. There's a 1 in 5 sell-through rate at $40 plus shipping. That's kind of a tough ship, so I think we're probably gonna leave that behind, even though we could maybe even triple our money around Christmas time.
this type of Nylabone is great for the type of dog that loves to chew. And when you get these at like the pet store, Petco, whatever, these can be $12.99 up to $19.99. I always love to look here, and these are $4.99.
Awesome deal.
Huge savings on doggy kitty treats.
Last time we were here, we found these right here, and at $3.99, we can easily just add quantity to our inventory that we already have. So we'll be picking these up soon.
Baby Elmer needs a bed, but we see the clearance section.
We found something for $3. Now look at this cute little salt and pepper shaker set here, Wonder Woman versus Cheetah. This thing is only $3. There are no history of sales yet, but there's only like 5 available, and I'm pretty sure around Christmas time we'll get 20 bucks for this. The Golden Girls, who doesn't remember this awesome show? Here's some playing cards. Double pack here for $3.50, and it looks like we can get $15 to $20 for this. I found something else here. You did too?
I did. I'm just looking now. Haven't looked it up.
Ah, okay. Well, I did look this one up, and this is a Hatch Rest Mini sound machine. Now this thing has a 300% sell-through rate. They want $18 for this, but we're going to be able to at least double our money. is the exact coffee that we found last time. It's very quickly, but right now there's only one bag and it's not on clearance anymore. And to our pleasant surprise, they're only $7 now. They used to be $10 when we picked up that last bunch.
The stuff we just sold.
Yep, Mocha Italia, that's the one. $8. Final selections. We found a quiet little part of the store here, so I'm going to show you exactly what we got. Oh my gosh, let's start off with something that you may have recognized as pickup before at a HomeGoods last time we were here. What was that?
That is the tin shortbread cookies, Walker's King Charles III. And so we wanted to collect these because we think these are going to be collector's items. And we have a nice little collection. How many did we get, baby?
7 of them this time, and only $7 a piece. So that's $3 less than what we paid for them last time.
Last time they were 10.
Yeah, we just get to add to the quantity of our collection already, and someday these are gonna be gone.
It's like easy money.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, another little fun thing that we found. These little salt and pepper shakers. Now, for only $3, we had to just check this out. There wasn't really a history of sale, but
so cute.
Yeah, too cute to pass up for only $3. And around Christmas time, these are gonna sell. We know it.
This is a really great thing that you found, babe. It's the Hatch Rest Mini. It is sleep magic for little munchkins.
Yeah, with a nice remote control. It's still sealed. Has a nice tape on there. Again, this one was a little more pricey. We paid up for this $18, but again, it's gonna be like a $45 sale.
Worth it. And these we were really excited to find, and this is an AM and a PM healthy fluoride-free toothpastes for this really cool toothbrush that we got, and they were on sale, these special kinds.
Yes, on sale for only $4.99 a piece, and I think we can put these together as a set, and maybe we can get around $30 for them. So
yeah, and I think we picked up what?
3 of each.
3 sets.
Yeah, 3 of each. Awesome. And again, something else that we picked up last time we were here are these freeze-dried treats here, or food, whatever. So we'll just add quantity again to our bags of these, and money in the bank. Now, something that we like to sell when we find them, because it's just so easy to list, store, and ship, are playing cards. Especially brand new and sealed here. Look at this, Golden Girls. Awesome.
Those must be hilarious.
Exactly, totally. And you know, somebody's gonna want these someday, so we're gonna sell them to them.
And you went over this one already, right?
I think so, yeah. I mean, you may have seen this because of this particular coffee here, the Mocha Italia, sold really fast in a pair of 2. So somebody, you know, ran out of their coffee, can't get back to HomeGoods, so they ordered it from us. And we're gonna have another bag for them waiting, so
they're gonna love it.
Absolutely. So that's what we found here, and I figure once we get this all home and listed, we're gonna have about $500 in gross sales here. So that might be minus shipping a little bit, minus some eBay or Poshmark, Mercari, Amazon fees, whatever.
Yeah, that's why we love doing retail arbitrage. We know you guys want it. Thank you for asking us to see more. We really appreciate it. And yeah, we are gonna be jumping for joy when you guys go out to your HomeGoods. Is this where we are right now?
Yeah.
HomeGoods, and you find your King Tins.
Good luck. Yeah. Let's go to the checkout and see exactly what we paid for all this stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh, we're in the gauntlet again.
Thank you.
So for this one, it's gonna be 127.
You're never gonna escape.
This thing is locked up.
It's thinking, yeah, you can't take it out to your car. It locks up on you.
I think that's what
It does that on purpose here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's an East Coast thing.
Oh my gosh, I get it now.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you.
We came out of there spending $128 with $500 potential gross sales. So after fees and shipping, we're gonna once again triple our money at the retail arbitrage. So go and check it out yourselves, guys.
Yeah, that's why this is so fun, because you guys can go out and get the exact same stuff. Just hurry.
And when you do, congratulations, guys. Till next time, that's up to you.
Would you like to see what we are actually buying for ourselves? What we're taking home, what we're consuming, what we're wearing. So I think maybe you would like to see. So we're going to show you what we're getting today from our HomeGoods TJ Maxx.
Yep. You know, there's so many good deals here. It's hard to pass up. You know, sometimes you need to consume some of these things, wear some of these things, whatever. This is one of them. Raisin nut mix. Keep that energy up.
We got ourselves one of those bags of coffees that we just sold very quickly the other day. We love them.
Yeah, actually, this is the Cafe Classico. It's a little bit different. We picked these up as well. This particular one hasn't sold yet, so we're going to try this for ourselves.
I found the cutest little floss pickers. They're plant-based and they're called Bubble Mints, so I just had to have those for us.
Awesome. We need those all the time.
And if you guys know anything about me, you know I love animals, and I love to go to HomeGoods and TJ Maxx for animal goodies, toys. We've got ears, we've got sticks, we've got little baby rawhide things, and we've got these really nice, big, expensive nylabone type ones. So we're going home with a bunch of stuff for the critters.
Make Sniff and Lick are going to love us.
We also ended up getting some body wipes. These are face and body wipes for men, cedar wood.
Michelle's gonna love those. Also, keeping the energy up, snack time. You know, we want to go somewhat healthy, so we're grabbing some oats and honey with toasted coconut.
Yep, and I'm addicted to monk fruit sweetener. I love it. It's expensive, so I found this big bag for $12, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, that's a great price.
That was not bad at all. And then this is just a nut mix, and these are such great prices here. $3.99 for this nut mix, which would have been like $10 if we went to the grocery.
Hold on, did we get two of those?
No, but we can.
Oh, okay. No. All right, and then Michelle, of course, needs her Hydro Boost by Neutrogena.
Oh my gosh,
Must have
that's
been a
to
good
take
deal.
my makeup off. Yeah, totally.
Awesome.
So that's what we're taking home for ourselves, guys. But anyways, thanks for joining us. We love doing retail arbitrage because we know that you guys can find the same deals we can.